Good afternoon, no? Good morning, good evening sa mga wala sa Pilipinas. Let us start with a prayer. So let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today, I ask you to bless me so I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today, I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands in Jesus' name. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay? So, once again, my greetings to you all. Thank you for attending our financial literacy seminar, financial literacy webinar, kasi we are just meeting through Zoom. My name is Melcy. I'm one of the senior marketing, I don't know, I'm one of the trainers in the company International Marketing Group and one of the CEO marketing directors and newly promoted executive vice chairman. I was born 1984, graduated elementary 1997, high school 2001, college 2005, master's degree 2008, and doctorate degree 2013. Okay. So, hindi na po siguro kayo magtatanong kung ano po yung previous job ko before I become financial educator. So I was in the academy for how many years? Almost 12 years, including the private and public school. But of course, for how many years of teaching, medyo meron akong na-realize, no, bakit for how many years akong nagwo-work, wala pa rin ako naiipon. Maganda naman ang aking sahod, maganda din ang aking posisyon sa school kasi nga doctorate ako, naging consultant ako, professor, lecturer, no? So but bakit po kaya ako nagiging full-time dito in less than a year after I know about this company? Yan po ang mafa-found out nyo later in my slides. So talagang I really love this advocacy in our company and I never feel tired no doing this mission. And talagang napakaganda. Na-change po talaga ang buhay ko 360 degrees. Okay? Pakilala ko muna ang aming company, so International Marketing Group. We are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines. Okay? So kami po yung isa sa mga malalaki na financial services. So kapag sinasabing financial services, lahat about finances. But ano po ang focus namin? Ang focus namin is into financial education. So, therefore, hindi po kami nagbibenta, hindi po kami nagne-networking, but nag-i-educate kami. So, natutuwa ako kanina kasi nag-conduct ako ng lecture no, sa Region 1 to Mimaropa, lahat ng regions, buong Pilipinas. Nag-conduct ako ng, pero by batch sila, ng talk sa mga PNP at ang tuwa-tuwa nila no kasi dami-dami nilang natutunan, okay? So we have established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry. Of course, kasi education ang focus natin. Yung mga concept na tinuturo namin, of course, with regards to the different financial needs of every individual, nagkakaroon kami ng partnerships with the most recommended companies because we thought and we think that those companies offer no, nag-o-offer sila ng mga programs or savings instrument or vehicles na naaangkop doon sa concept na itinuturo namin about financial education. So we have been able to help thousands of associates take advantage of the IMG opportunity with a flexible time commitment and schedule. Okay? So what does it mean? It means to say na if a certain person wanted to become part of our community, and wanted to become part of what we do here in our company, now, anytime you can do it. Kasi hindi naman sa buong 24 hours meron kang trabaho, di ba? So that's it. We have a proven system that helps you build a very successful business. Kasi of course, kailangan talaga natin na magkakaroon din ng business. Kasi kung magre-rely tayo sa isang source of income lang, there will be a tendency na minsan no, madi-deficit tayo, minsan sagad na yung sahod natin. So at least magkakaroon tayo ng chance no na matuturuan at matuto kung paano magkaroon ng business na hindi naman kailangan yung millions ang ano natin, millions yung puhunan natin, but it's a matter of education. It's a matter of concept And it's a matter of applying the concept which our company is teaching many people about financial management and financial education. So we are here because we wanted to spread a global financial literacy campaign that by year 2030, we need to educate 30 million Filipinos. That's why I was asking you guys kung meron po ba kayong detail na naibigay doon po sa nag-i-invite sa inyo. Kasi i-enroll po namin yung mga names nyo dito sa campaign namin for financial education. Right now, we are more than 2 million. Hindi po updated itong ano natin, no? Hindi po updated itong nasa screen natin. And that's it, guys. So, kailangan talaga natin na maging part nito. And if you can understand the concept which I am going to share to you this afternoon, of course, wag kang mahiya. Be part of our campaign. Ituro din natin ito sa mga kakilala natin. Ituro din natin ito sa mga kaibigan natin para nang sa ganun ay matututo din sila. No? Okay. So we have a lot of financial centers nationwide and even worldwide. Lahat po ng mga countries, meron na tayong trainers and financial centers. So I hope po na makapag-share din tayo. Kung meron man tayong kakilala na nasa abroad ngayon, we also need to share this advocacy sa kanila kasi hindi natin alam na nagtatrabaho sila doon ng maigi, no? Nagpapadala sila ng pera dito sa Pilipinas pero sila mismo wala din silang naiipon or hindi din nila alam kung paano mag-itama. Okay? So we are one, sabi ko kanina, biggest and fastest growing industry. So we are getting worldwide. So we must be very, very proud. I am very proud na part ako nitong biggest financial industry. No? I'm proud na part ako nitong one of the biggest industry. We call it financial industry. Okay? Ang crusade namin napakaganda. We want to change people from spenders to savers. Kayo po ba, spender po ba kayo? Kayo po ba, saver po ba kayo? Okay? So kung spender kayo, now natuto ka po kung paano natin talaga ma-change paunti-unti. Hindi ko naman sinasabing abrupt na bukas agad nagbago ka na. No. Paunti-unti po. So that's why kailangan talaga ng pag-change ng mindset natin, pag-change ng habit natin, no? Para po nang sa ganun merong pagbabago ang mangyayari sa ating mga buhay. So our vision is to create a new industry. Ano po tong industry na gusto namin i-create? Gusto namin na ang lahat ay matututo kung ano po yung mga sikreto ng mga mayayaman in becoming wealthy. No? So because we believe that financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. And everyone has the right to become wealthy if magkakaroon siya ng tamang impormasyon, ng tamang edukasyon. But sad to know, hindi po lahat ng mga paaralan natin, hindi po lahat ng mga guro natin ay nagtuturo about financial education. That's why, when I know about the advocacy, I immediately loved it. Nagugustuhan ko na siya, I like this. Kasi hindi lahat nagtuturo ng financial education. And you know what? Marami po tayo talagang matutunan dito. No, I will share to you later on. Our mission is help every family achieve financial freedom. Therefore, ang advocacy na to is not just for us. It's for our whole family. Our purpose is to help buong pamilya natin. Mag-start sa pamilya natin hanggang sa mga relatives natin, hanggang sa ating mga kaibigan at pamilya ng ating mga kaibigan, hanggang sa lahat ng tao sa mundo. If that would happen, guys, na marami na po ang financially literate, what do you think will happen? Middle classes will shrink. Poor people will not be there anymore kasi alam na nila kung paano maging mayaman. That's why kailangan lang talaga natin maging consistent sa ginagawa natin on financial literacy. Medyo lumalakas na ang boses ko, guys, kasi ang lakas na ng ulan, no? So I'm thinking about hindi yun na ako marinig. Well, we are here because we wanted to fight against poverty. So are you familiar with Bo Sanchez? Siya po ay isa sa mga author ng libro namin kasi we have our book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. And good news, kapag nagbigay ka po ng email sa nag-invite sa inyo, you are given also the ebook. Mabigyan ka namin ng ebook. So, isa sa mga author doon who happened also to become part of IMG, Bo Sanchez, sabi niya, friend, This is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. Devour it and share it with people who need a financial revolution in their life. So may your dreams come true. Diba? So congratulations for attending our talk tonight or this time or this afternoon or this morning. If you are not in the Philippines, congratulations. Because if you are just going to be ready, embracing the concepts, no? Talagang merong mababago sa buhay natin. Okay? So I would also like to reiterate what our president have mentioned during his first statement of the nation address. Sabi na, mandatory financial education for all migrant families shall be pursued along with incentives to encourage entrepreneurship. So, kailangan talaga. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga nanirahan abroad, hindi lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho abroad, pag uwi nila, meron silang maraming ipon. Okay? And whoever na nag-attend ngayon na teachers, we will always remember to be proud of what we are doing. Kasi meron na po tayong RA 10679 and 10922 which mandate to teach financial literacy to students. But according to our Secretary of Education, Dr. Briones, if you want to be financially literate or if you want to be or to teach financial education to students, you have to start with the teachers. 'Di ba, guys? That's the reason why I'm so proud. I honor you guys because I was also like 12 years in the academy. Kung may teacher man ngayon, congratulations kasi hindi po madali talaga ang ginagawa ninyo. Pero I think lahat po ng ginagawa natin, kailangan din natin lakipan, no? Kailangan din natin i-include ang financial education doon. Kasi kung kapag wala, sayang po yung nakikita natin or income natin kung hindi naman natin alam kung paano ito i-manage, no? So that's why financial literacy. So bakit po kailangan ng financial education? Because many good people fail. Hardworking, smart, young, old people fail. Teachers, OFWs, doctors, engineers retire without enough savings. That's the problem. People don't plan to fail. They simply fail to plan their personal finances. They lack financial education. So we are here doing our part, conducting financial education from the different walks of life. Hindi po namin pinipili ang aming ini-educate dito. Lahat pwedeng mag-join sa ating lecture. Lahat pwede nating maturuan about financial education. So, why need financial education? Because ang dami-dami pong mga tao na naniniwala sa mga maling akala, wrong money mindset, okay? So, according to them, or some people believe, that financial education is only for the wealthy. Na ay mayayaman lang may karapatan sa financial education. And many people also believe that the solution to financial challenges is borrowing money. Walang ibang solusyon kapag may emergency. Wala ibang solusyon kapag may bibilhin na importante. Borrowing money. CA. Hasangla. No? So some people even rely on luck. Many people belong to a community of spenders who do not believe in preparing for their future. You know what, guys? We learn, no? Noon pa alam na natin na kapag yung community natin ay iba, makakabigay talaga siya ng influence sa atin as a person. It is one of the contributor sa kung ano maging ma-practice natin. Example na lang, kung sa environment mo, ang palaging iniisip ay saan makautang, saan mangutang. No? So, it means to say sa environment ninyo, utang lang ang nasa isip. Pero think about if the environment which you belong, think about securing your future. Think about where to invest. Think about how to grow your money. Ma-change talaga ang mindset nyo, guys. That's why I'm very happy being part of this community. So, marami po ang walang ipon kasi ang dami-daming utang. Bakit? Many people use their credit cards as emergency fund. Most people don't know how to manage their debts. Their debts manage them instead. Their salary move from hand to mouth, hand to hand, and then touch me not. So car loans, housing loans, salary loans, credit card debts are accumulated rather than investments. So baon sa utang, hirap na siyang mag-retire. Many people also, guys, practice saving the wrong way. That's why kailangan ng edukasyon.
Kailangan nating turuan sila na mali po, no? OFWs, teachers, professionals, seafarers, end up with nothing after working 20 to 30 years because they did not know how to invest correctly. Now, my question to you guys, gusto mo bang magtrabaho ng 10, 20, 30 years na wala kang maiipon kasi hindi mo alam kung paano mag-ipon ng tama? May ipon ka nga pero hindi siya tama na pamamaraan. Marami sa ating mga Filipino or tayo lang ang mga Filipino ang may bonus. Merong 13th month. Investing 5 years of 13th month pay or kahit 100,000 sa bonus mo will be multi-million in retirement funds. So magsakripisyo kaya muna tayo guys. Mag-ipon muna kaya tayo sa 5 years ng bonus natin. Hayaan na natin yung bonus natin tutubo doon. Hayaan na natin siyang magtatrabaho. Kasi when your money earns interest, nagtatrabaho na siya para sa'yo. Okay? So, di alam ang tama. If you want to be rich according to Robert Kiyosaki, you need to be financially literate. And that is what we are doing right now. We wanted you, we wanted us, we wanted everybody to become financially literate. So, what is your situation right now? Ano po bang sitwasyon mo ngayon? Do you have problems paying your bills? Are you concerned about your job or your career? Are you paid what you are worth? Do you feel that a financial trap is affecting your family? Are your children growing up and your parents growing old faster than you can provide for them? So it is ironic that we work hard all our lives but still retire poor. Many do so much to raise their kids and often see them finish college with a lot of debt. No? So, bakit kami andito? We believe in financial education. We are here because we provide financial solutions. Okay? So, we want to avoid obstacles ahead like retirement crisis. Ayaw namin yan. Because of poor saving habits and because fewer companies offer pensions. Retirement benefits such as SSS, GSIS become unsustainable. We want also to avoid education crisis because tuition fee costs keep rising. Student loans can be a major burden. And we don't like that the graduates are having trouble finding good jobs and the right career for them. And we want also the people to avoid spending crisis. How? Do not spend on something you don't need. You do not spend on the things you don't need with the money you don't have. No? So keep up with social media friends can get very expensive. So hindi na tayo magmatter sa kung ano yung post ng friend natin sa Facebook or Instagram. So we want to avoid this uncertain labor market. Kaya hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan lang tayo merong trabaho. So kailangan natin maghanda. Kailangan natin paghandaan yan. Because if mawawalan tayo ng trabaho at wala tayong naiipon, this is a very big challenge. Number 2, of course, ayaw natin na magtatrabaho tayo na matanda na tayo because of low savings and high debt. Wala tayong ipon pero ang dami-dami nating utang, so kahit matanda na tayo, magtatrabaho pa rin tayo. Ayaw natin yan. Number 3, kailangan natin mapaghandaan ang edukasyon ng ating mga anak. Kasi it could hurt the younger generation kapag hindi tayo mag-prepare. No? So that's one thing that ituturo namin. Bakit? We don't like na mangungutang na naman tayo para sa edukasyon ng ating mga anak. So kailangan natin matutunan kung paano tayo mag-ipon for them, no? So magbabayad pa tayo ng interest sa mga uutangin natin for the education of our kids. And we must be prepared of this what we call as inflation. You know what, guys? Ang tinatawag na inflation, it means to say, ito yung pagbaba sa buying power ng pera mo. So for example, ang inflation ay 6%. So with the use of the formula rule of 72, 72 divided by 6% or 8%, it will double after 9 years. It means to say, guys, na every 9 years, bababa po ang buying power ng pera mo. No, bababa siya ng bababa. So magkano ang dapat natin i-equate doon sa perang bumababa pagdating ng retirement natin? Malaki. So we need more money when we retire kasi ang buying power niyan mababa na. That's inflation. Okay? So we are teaching people to take control of your money. Learn how money works and make money work for you. Always remember that the future is in your hands, hindi po sa employer mo, hindi sa gobyerno, sa bank, or sa broker. The future lies within your hands. You must learn. Okay? Yan po ang ebook na ibibigay namin sa inyo. So, paano pala yung ano natin, guys? Pag-secure ng ating future, paano natin makontrol yung future natin? That if you can build a strong financial foundation. Kung ang bahay mo, guys, ay nabuo or na-build na makapag-withstand sa lahat ng mga storm, sa mga bagyo, etc., etc., you will have peace of mind. Magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind kasi kahit anong mangyari sa environment, magbabagyo man or whatever, hindi matitinag ang bahay mo. Ngayon, if I'll ask you, gaano katibay ang pundasyon sa finances mo? How strong is your financial house? How strong is your financial foundation? Now, if you will ask me how to build a strong financial foundation, like building a house, you must build this structure from the ground up. Kailangan pala natin matutunan itong proper healthcare. Kailangan pala natin matutunan itong proper life protection, debt management, and emergency fund, and of course, build up savings and investment. Kasi guys, imagine, kung uunahin mo po yung investment mo, may it be bahay, may it be checkbook, may it be bank book, may it be investment, kung magkakaroon ka ng sakit, your investment is your replacement for your healthcare. And there still be a tendency na maubos po yung lahat ng investment mo if someone will get sick in the family. And always remember, guys, na PhilHealth is not a healthcare. Healthcare is yung savings program talaga na magkakaroon ka ng coverage the moment magkasakit ka. Now, let's go to life insurance. I'll give you a little lang. Kasi ituturo po ito, the moment member na kayo, ituturo yan lahat. Life insurance are of two kinds. There is what we call as term, and there is what we call as whole life. There is what we call as bundled, and there is also what we call as unbundled. Ang term life, bibili ka lang na napaka-mura. 1 million in a year, 5,000 lang ang bili mo. At ang investment side doon, nasa mga kamay mo. That's term. Pero kapag sinasabing whole life, the premium of your insurance plus your investment, si company ang nagpatubo niyan. You cannot make control of your money kasi si company. And kapag whole life ka or bundled ka, when you want to get your money, hindi mo po siya makukuha na walang interest. So parang uutangin mo yung sarili mong pera. Emergency fund, paano yan? Para yan kung mawalan tayo ng trabaho. Para yan kapag magkakaroon tayo ng emergency, no? And of course, before you can have that, emergency fund and investment, kailangan mo muna i-manage yung debts natin. Kasi you are not, parang you don't have the right to invest unless you are properly protected and unless you are slowly paying your debts. Kasi ang anay po sa financial house natin is what we called as debts. That's the reason why ang debt is pronounced as debt. Kasi parang takos talaga siya ng debt because of stress, no? Okay. Kailangan niyo matutunan ng X-curve concept. Simple lang. You need to grow your savings line, the green line, and you need to lower your responsibility line. Wala nang ibang kuskus balungos. As you get older, slowly increase your wealth and slowly decrease your responsibility. Because right now, active pa tayo sa income natin. And but time comes na mag-stop na tayo sa income natin o sa trabaho natin, kailangan na natin ang tinatawag na passive income. What we have now is active income, and what we are going to consider in the future is our passive income. That's X-curve. If you are younger today, find ways to invest. Find ways to little by little finish your responsibilities. 2, because we want here to grow our money, because we want to save a lot, you need to consider also the compounding interest na concept. Ang compounding interest na concept is very simple. You just need to learn kung saan mo pwedeng ilagay ang pera mo na mas maganda ang return at mas madali lang. Hindi ka matatagalan. So gagamitin natin ang formula rule of 72
72 is constant divided by the interest rate kung saan mo siya nilagay, ang answer niyan is equal to the number of years that your money will double. For example, sa 8% ka naglagay, 9 years. Kung sa 4%, 18 years. Kung sa 12%, 6 years. Kung ikaw ang aking papipiliin saan ka maglagay sa pera mo, of course, you will answer me, you need to place your money in 12% interest. But ang tanong ngayon, alam mo ba kung saan yan? Kasi hindi natin alam. Lahat ng mga tao, kadalasan sa mga tao, hindi nila alam. That's the reason why kailangan nila tayo. They need us. Actually, guys, we don't need you. It's you who need us. Bakit? Kung wala kami nagtuturo sa inyo, habang buhay kayo talagang magtatanong kung saan kayo mag-invest. Now, just today, after my lunch, tumawag yung aking cousin, pero hindi kami close. Gaanong ka-close? Sabi niya sa akin, ate, nagpunta ako sa bangko at tinatanong ko doon, kung paano ako maka-invest sa dito. Yung dito, yung telco, telecommunication company, at sagot ng taga-bangko, you call someone from IMG. So sabi niya sa akin, mag-member na ako, wala na naman ako ini-explain. Kusa na lang na ang mga tao ang maghahanap sa IMG. So I give him my code, I give him the link, o sige mag-fill up ka na, at nagbayad siya. That's how easy life is. Kasi naghahanap talaga ang mga tao na makapag-guide sa kanila ng kung paano mag-invest ng tama. And we are so happy. Hindi na kami ang tatawag sa kanila at, oy, magkinig kayo sa amin. No, ang tao na maghahanap sa IMG kasi we are the only company who is doing this advocacy for financial education. So where we recommend our money, you place your money in mutual fund. Yung dito, yung telco, yung SM, yung Ayala, yung Shell, it means to say, guys, na you can already invest and start to learn paano mag-invest kapag member ka ng company. Kapag member ka sa IMG, you can now start this mutual fund. Ano po yan? Simply, you are an investor of the different blue chips companies in the Philippines. Once maging member ka ng company namin, automatic ka na may investment dyan. Aside from automatic ka nang mag-invest dyan, walang katapusang training orientation kung paano ka mag-invest at paano ka magdagdag at paano ka makapag-earn at kikita sa mutual fund investment. So sa mutual fund investment, merong fund manager. Hindi ikaw mismo ang pipili sa mga companies kung saan mo ilagay ang pera mo. Sila ang mismong may alam kung saan ilagay kasi doon yan ilagay sa mga top performing companies. Sa direct naman, ikaw mismo ang mamimili ng companies kung saan ka maglagay. That's direct. The good thing, IMG have access to the mutual funds which is indirect, and we also have access to the direct or the stock market per se. So tuturuan ka na. The moment member ka na, o sige mag-start ka na. Parang mag-shopping ka na sa loob. Kung member ka na, katulad ng may membership card ka sa Landers or sa SNR, o sige, you can already get in the store. Ang AMG is like that. You can become a member, then mag-shopping ka na kung anong gusto mo sa loob. No? So, ito po yung partners natin. We are not selling investment. We are recommending because these are our partner companies. We are under Rampver, or our partner is Rampver, which is under PSA or Philippine Stock Exchange. Yung companies natin na recommended, our under Rampver are Soldivo, Atram, PAMI, Philequity, Sun Life, and MyTrade. MyTrade is the online platform natin. Yung ikaw mismo ang magda-direct trading. Why not? If you like, why not? No? So, we are also teaching people about long term. Ano po bang long term? Always remember, guys, na we are on our way to our getting old. Papunta tayo doon. Ang tanong ngayon, are we ready? Prepared na po ba tayo sa tinatawag nating older years natin? Ay ma'am, bata pa ako. Yes, bata ka pa. But always remember that time could be your ally or your enemy. Kung hindi tayo maghanda ngayon na bata pa tayo, what will happen when we get old? Pwede ka bang ka-catch up sa mga panahon na hindi ka nakapag-ipon? Mas maganda na bata ka pa, matuto ka na at magsimula ka na agad. Kasi it has really difference, guys, kung magsimula ka agad-agad or magsimula ka late pa. Kasi napakasayang ng panahon kapag hindi ka makapagsimula, no? So long-term care gives us healthcare protection hanggang sa maging matanda tayo. Give us income protection or life insurance, at the same time, pension or money or investment. Itong tatlong ito ang kailanganan natin. Bakit? Pagtanda natin, hindi natin kaya ang paliguan ng ating mga sarili, hindi natin kaya ang subuan ng ating mga sarili, hindi natin kaya ang maglakad ng tayo-tayo lang, so we need long-term care. Because when we get old, hindi na tayo active. So we need long-term care. Natuturo din kami kung paano ang proper na paghanda sa long-term care. Kasi you cannot expect your government or your children to take care of you when you get old. Sa long-term care, ito po yung needs na naibigay at nabigyan ng solusyon namin. 1 is your investment, 2 is your income protection, and 3 is your healthcare. Because that 3 major financial needs na naibigay natin is the answer to the 2 ifs in life. What if I die too soon, will take care of my family? And what if I live too long, will take care of me? If I die too soon, I need life insurance as an instant replacement to my family. If I live too long, I don't need my children or my family because I have my own investment and I have my long-term care. So that's what we recommend. Naghahanap ka ba ng investment? Ang pera mo dito sa long-term care natin is invested. Saan? Sa mga mutual funds pa din. Pero ang nakaganda dito, nag-ipon ka lang, pero you are covered with healthcare and other protection. Unlike sa kung may meron kang dito na investment, communication, or yung mga mutual fund, pure investment, what will happen to you when you get sick? I-withdraw mo po yung pera mo doon sa tinatawag natin na investment mo, and gamitin mo siya pang hospital, sayang, nauubos. Whereas dito sa Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder natin, you just save your money, you just let your money grow. When you get sick, meron kang libreng hospitalization, and get your money when you get old because that is your own money. So hindi po sayang yung pera mo dito. That's why Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder is our level 1 recommendation for investment. Why? Because you can already start building your financial foundation. You are given the healthcare long term, you are given the income protection, at the same time you are given the investment. What do you need to do the next? Is to eliminate debts and create emergency fund. So kumpleto na po kapag may Kaiser long term ka na savings program. Okay. So ang Kaiser savings program natin is 7 years lang ka nagsisave. Again, saan po ba nilagay ang pera ko dito, Ma'am Melch? Ang pera ko dito nilagay ko sa mutual funds. Pinatubo ko sa Jollibee, SM Ayala, binili ng shares. Ang tubo ko is 10% annually compounding. Nagtubo lang yung pera ko. After 7 years, mag-stop na akong pag-save. While saving, I am protecting myself and my family. Why? If I'll get sick, meron akong healthcare. If I die too soon, my family will get life insurance. Napaka-kumpleto. So, 7 years ka mag-ipon. After 7 years, stop. Di ka na mag-save. Hayaan mo na si pera na tutubo, no? For 13 years for the maturity period. If you still don't want to get your money at that age of 42, if you started 22, it's okay kasi it will continue growing. You can get it half, you can get it all, you can have it grown lang, na patuloy lang siyang tutubo. It's up to you kasi you have your option. It is your money. So, ang makukuha mo dito is, of course, annual physical exam, check-up, dental, life insurance, accidental dismemberment. AD&D means if I'll die because of accident, meron akong coverage. If I'll die because of natural death, meron akong coverage. If I'll get sick, meron akong coverage. If I get old, meron akong pension. Ano pang hanapin natin dito? Kompleto na to. Hindi lang to life insurance. Guaranteed pa ang return namin sa Kaiser namin. So you are now in the era of the informed consumer, guys. You can attend our meeting, you can invite your guests, you can invite your family members to be here para maging ma-inform din sila at hindi maging ignorante sa financial education. So kapag member ka na ng company namin, these are the benefits. 1, free financial education for a lifetime. And you can also have this workshop, napakaganda. How to increase your cash flow and how to manage your debts. Kinakanda ko kato kanina. How to build a strong financial foundation, build wealth, retirement planning, and of course, building business in the financial industry. Kung ikaw ay mag-aaral sa isang paaralan, magkano ang tuition fee mo na hindi ka naman naging mayaman after a semester? Hindi ka nga naging mayaman after 4 years, after postgraduate studies, hindi nga. But dito sa company natin, even though isang beses ka lang nag-member, talagang you can already learn a lot and mabago ang buhay mo because of the workshop. Mababago talaga, guys. Do you have problem with your debts? Well, matuturuan namin kayo dito sa workshops namin. Financial check-up, free accidental insurance, huwag ka nang mag-antay na mag 5 years ka pa magbayad sa memorial mo kasi libre na po dito, magdadag ka lang 500. Kaiser na discounted sa mga ano natin, check-up, unlimited na. And of course, medical services. Tapos, instant ka ng investor. Tapos, itong number 17, napaka-cheap na insurance, 1,005,000 lang ang bili mo. Tapos, of course, investor ka na ng mutual fund. Tapos, you have your own business. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong negosyo, no, dito sa company natin. So, own a business in the financial industry, how? Simply, become part of IMG. You travel, have free healthcare, promote yourselves into CEO or whatever. No, ito po yung mga na-travel ko na, no, so far, no? Yan. Hindi po yan mabigay ng normal na trabaho natin, no? So I am also qualified for London. And I am an advisory council sa PNP. So yan, mga tinutoko ng mga police, no? Of course, kahit ngayon sa Zoom, I still conduct, no? Walang excuses. So yan, mga army, nagtuturo din ako. Yan, sa Davao yan. Sa Davao po yan, Venus. And of course, yan, no? O, di ba? Nagkakandak ako. It was General de Bolsinas who recommended me to do financial education. And kahit saan po ako nagkakandak, kahit sa universities. So how to start, guys, dito sa company natin? Simple lang. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong portal. Diyan mo monitor lahat ng mga investment mo. And you can also have the different benefits na nasa portal mo. So, of course, simple lang talaga, guys. You just need to become part of our IMG company. No, ito po yung mga millionaire earner sa company natin. Of course, no? Sa ano lang yan, Cebu and Mindanao, no? So, ito po yun, step 1, join. Magbayad lang tayo ng 5,500. Sa 5,500 natin, meron na tayong tinatawag na 1,000 worth of mutual funds investment. And lahat ng mga benefits na yun kanina na sinishare ko, yun na ang mga benepisyo mo. You can already start the investment at the same time you are accredited na sa company, coded na ka as a broker or agent. You can have the training materials even online kasi magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong portal. Number 2, nagugustuhan mo ba yung pag-build ng solid financial foundation? Get yourself a Kaiser 3-in-1 savings program. Number 3, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng extra income para yung savings mo or more than your income ngayon is hindi mo na bubunutin sa sarili mong bulsa? Then step 3, you need to share. Simple lang. Share. Join. Company namin, 55. Magkaroon ka ng sarili mong savings program, mutual funds, Kaiser, PDF, Most 18 or whatever. Then share mo lang kung gusto mong i-share. Tapos ito po yung mga accredited banks natin na pwede kang maglagay doon sa mga investment mo. No? And at the same time po, you can use GCash or PayPal or whatsoever. Okay? Thank you so much. To God be the glory. Okay? So yan lang po guys, no, ang ano natin. To show you, pala, kasi parang malike nyo din ang aking ano guys. Malike nyo din ang aking Facebook page. Okay, paki-like na lang dito guys no sa aking Facebook page na Financial Doctor. And meron akong YouTube channel na Financial Doctor din. At the same time, Meltzy Financial Educator. Dalawa po ang YouTube channel ko. And of course, my email and my contact number. Okay. So I hope na talagang meron kayong natututunan for this afternoon. And I hope na, of course, magbibigay ka ng insights mo tungkol sa na-attend mo ngayong hapon. So it would be my pleasure giving answers to your clarifications, guys. Okay?